Hello, friends, enemies, and associates alike. This is Scott with Spot Services, about to do a roof cleaning out here in Easton. Here we have our low pressure nozzle gun, and here we have our dirty roof. Moss, algae, all kinds of gunk. It's all going to come right off with our low pressure mix. Take a look. Well, right off. It'll come off eventually, but actually we're going to kill it today. And we got Scotty Too Hottie here watering the flowers, make sure none of the soap dries on the plants. So you can see this stuff is turning white. It's dying as we speak. Let me see here. Make sure my camera skills are okay. So yeah, it's turning white. It's dying off. And what's going to happen? Spray that siding. Is we're going to have this moss and mildew is going to die, and it's going to take a few weeks. It might take a couple months actually for it to die off and roll off the roof as it rains. It took years to get here. We kill it, we neutralize it. It's dead and gone, well, dead and killed the same day we're out here. And it's going to take a little bit of time for it to come off naturally. What we don't do is we don't go up there and scrape it off, because this stuff has a small root system that reaches its way into the shingle grit. And the last thing that you want to do is go and agitate it and remove shingle grit in order to clean the roof. So we take the low pressure method. Some guys out there still use pressure washers, which is crazy. As you can imagine, a pressure washer would just blast this roof away. So we use the low pressure method. It takes time. One half of it is us applying the detergent. The other half is allowing time to do its thing. So if you need a low pressure roof cleaning service, just give us a call. We service East Cambridge, Oxford, St. Michael's. We go up to the Bay Bridge. We go across the Bay Bridge over into Annapolis and Columbia, and we go down to Ocean City as well, whole Eastern Shore. 410-822-4144, spot-services.com, 410-822-4144. Look forward to getting your estimate. We can give estimates over the phone, generally speaking, based on square footage of the house. And that's it. So give us a call. Again, Scott with Spot Services, 410-822-4144. Thank you.